So what's up, everyone? So the big day is finally here. I've been praying for this. It's more than a year already that I've since proposed to my love, Cherry. So today's the big day. See you there.
If you see him or if you meet him for the first time, he's like a very serious person, gitu. He looks serious. Pero hindi man siya... I mean, he looks serious most of the time, gitu. Pero kung like kami lang or he's with his friends or he's with the group of people nga he's comfortable with, funny man siya, pero hindi niya ma-achieve ang level sa nga kanya humor. So, yeah, I agree with you, girl. I believe nga ako gini ka pa happy siya.
Let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
King, I hope that you take care of each other, you and Nang Maymay, and try to always remember that you are a team, that you are part of each other.
Meet kami way back 2016 actually, but nakita niya lang ko, but after that, duway na kami kakita ay liwat. So, fast forward sa 2017, the next year, nag-meet kami through a youth camp, which was named Camp Kalye, which is from the Feast Month. And yeah, kami doon naglalay.
Birds, we're gonna fly away. You and me in a postcard can find the way. I got you. Well, I got you holding my hand. It's all in front of me, home free, I'm born again. Ooh, when I feel like taking a chance, you grab a hold of me, home free, I'm born again.
He's really serious with his life, with his relationship with me. What also made me fall in love with him. He brought me sa community niya, which is Jerusalem. So I think our community, Jerusalem, really has a big factor man. Why we've been together now for like almost 8 years. So big part of our relationship is our service gid and our community, both the Feast and Jerusalem.
Just respect each other, and si Christ per me ang center sa inyong life.
Hindi na wish and hope lang na namin ang pag-take care sa family, ang pag-team up niya ang ambal ni Gavin, ang team up and na mag-communicate with each other, especially with my problems and stuff. And for me, mag-teach and take care sa mga children in the future.
We've been serving together as a church for the past years, and I always see him as someone I would spend the rest of my life with. willing the good of the other. So I want him to be happy, even if that happiness is not me, or even if I'm not part of his happiness. And he makes me happy. And I'm sure man nga he's serious na sa akin kay wala.
Of course, ang gina-look forward ko is I'm very happy nga pakasal na kami. Because I look forward to have a family together, stay together, live together, and then do everything together in the future.